If you thought the McLaren 720S was insane, meet the new 750S. Lighter, faster, and even more powerful. With a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 pumping out 750 PS and 800 Nm, this beast hits 0-100 in just 2.8 seconds, and it screams all the way to a top speed of 332 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its carbon fiber monocoque, it's 30 kg lighter than the 720S. The aerodynamics, sharper. The handling, more precise. The interior, pure driver-focused perfection with Apple CarPlay, new displays, and even a one-button McLaren control launcher to save your perfect drive settings. And that exhaust, inspired by the McLaren P1. It sounds incredible. The 750S isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. What's your pick, coupe or spider? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe to MotoDrift.